I know it's the season where people are lethargic to get up in the morning. It's cold. कंबल से बाहर आना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. And this gentleman is waking you up exactly in the morning, 5 o'clock. Yeah, you can curse me on that, but I still love you. So when you wake up at early morning and you are cursing me, still it is a love for me. Yes. So today we are at a different phase of this particular theme. The theme that we have decided for us, for this particular week, it's called as financial literacy. And why this particular theme? Because many of us have our entire New Year plans and many other what do you call New Year resolutions and New Year fancy stuff happening in this particular week. Yes or no? Most, I mean, just to tell you, some of the companies or some of the industries, they thrive only at this particular week. For example, tourism, events, marriages, and gym and health. Are you guys with me? This is the time when many people make their resolutions. The resolution starts somewhere in the Christmas, and max by 26th of January or by Valentine's Day, it will be over. Are you guys with me? So this month, what we are going to do is we are going to do something different. So I thought of asking, why not we learn about some kind of a financial stuff? So we started our entire this particular theme, of this week with the topic called as financial literacy. Yesterday was the ideation day where we spoke about identifying 10 areas of financial improvement, and you guys have given a lot of answers. The answers ranges from different things. Just to give you an idea what has happened yesterday, many of you guys have given examples like, okay, I want to learn about mutual funds, someone wants to learn about bonds, IPO, stock, income tax, crypto, my God, yeah, e-com structures, TDS claims, civil score enhancement, so many stuff. Okay, today, today is the day where we do something called as evaluation. So yesterday I've given 10 ideas. What we are going to do is I want you to choose out of so many different kind of things that you have given yesterday, select only one. Okay, the task is select only one. You have selected many. Okay, many people have said, crypto, yeah, select only one, but give 10 reasons why you need to learn about that particular domain in the finance. So what you need to do is, I think the link has been already given to you guys, the idea mastery link, which is something like this. And here, you just write down, here, this one, my life, my time. Here you write down your selected area of interest of, whatever you want to learn in the financial literacy. Okay, anything. So let's say this gentleman has written about IPO. Fine. So write down here IPO and give 10 different reasons. Okay, this is first idea, second idea, third idea, like that. Give me 10 reasons why you want to learn about that particular topic. Okay, good, easy. Chalo, start. I'm going to give you like 2 minutes. Yeah. So go ahead. The topic is financial literacy, and what we are going to do today is a different kind of a thing where you are going to evaluate your idea with 10 reasons. Give me 10 reasons today. Okay? Give me 10 reasons. Choose the most pressing financial issue that you think you know and give 10 reasons. And it can be your personal reasons. Don't give a generic reasons. The reason has to be from your end. Go. Okay. Fill it up. Okay. So someone says, I want to learn about how to increase my CIBIL score. Fine. So find out why you need to learn about increasing your CIBIL score. Okay. What affects CIBIL score, whatever it is. So find it out. So why it is important, the reasons, you need to come out with at least minimum, at least 5 to 10 reasons. So when you start doing it, this might sound like a very simple task, but let me tell you, all the reasons are something that you will be able to validate. When you have strong reason towards the purpose, that purpose becomes your goal. The purpose becomes something that you have to do. Now you are self realizing that you're giving your purpose new wings, and that's how you're going to do. So today, go ahead and fill it up the 10 different reasons. So when people start doing it, initially you can have around one reason, two reason, which is okay because you are just started. But as in when you grow and your idea mastery systems grows, you will be able to go for not only 10, but you can go beyond. That state is called as a flow state. Flow state of mind is a person where you cannot dominate him with any kind of fear or any kind of something which is hidden, because he has this power of that kind of strength that he can go and break any kind of curiosity. Most of the time, all the new ideas comes from our past experiences, events, and exposures. This is the compilation method. This is done probably thousands of years back, and still we are doing it. This is something that we are practicing for more than, I'm doing it for more than 15 to 20 years now. And I'm sure if you are doing it for at least a couple of months, you will be able to see that your ideas starts coming out like anything. You don't have to think, it'll automatically come. So this particular exercise does not need any other thing. It is just like a deep focus, and this is done automatically. As I'm talking to you, this is called as a positive noise. You are thinking on that part, but I am actually asking you to listen to me as well. So when you do all these things and you have this mind getting into a positive noise, you are listening to me, but still you are working on your stuff. When you are forcing this kind of destructive meditations structures, I don't know, should I call it as a meditation or not? But this is a very, very powerful system. So the link is already there. Yeah. Yeah. This is the link. Okay. So the link is already been shared. So follow the chat. It is the link. This is the form link. Go quick. So you can keep this idea mastery link permanently with you. We're going to be using this link forever. As of now, as I'm talking to you, we have already crossed more than 3,000 days, 3,000 weeks, weeks or days, weeks, days. I don't know. So there is an entire thing has been already saved in our Mastery Facebook group. And people who are watching this on YouTube, this is not an entertainment session. This is not an education session. This is an implementation session. This is a straight transcendence session. So if you are traveling anywhere, this 10-15 minutes, you can stop, you can participate, you can engage, you can participate in the comment section, and still you can get a lot of benefits out of it. I have given it free to the people, not only in the community, but also to the world. So utilize that. So yesterday's session should be there somewhere already there, and today's session is there. So we have got 4 different days that we do the mastery from Monday till Thursday. So today is the second day, which is called as evaluation, where you give a reason, give a new dimension, give a new purpose to something that is just an idea. So yesterday we identified 10 different dimensions of financial literacy that you need to learn. Today we want you to nullify 9, select 1, and give 10 reasons for that. Tomorrow we're going to do something called as materialization, and day after tomorrow we'll go for monetization. How to monetize the things that you have learned. Okay, good. So now let's go to the answers. Okay, press your submit button, guys. Okay, so your time stops now. Yeah, go ahead, stop it. Yeah, so now we have got certain answers. Okay, so the answers are in front of you in 1 minute. Just one second. Yeah. Okay, I think I have got the answers now. So here are your answers, guys. So this is the place where you are going to be learning. Okay, so this gentleman says, I don't know, this person says stock market because you want to learn about financial management and portfolio management. Okay, finance documents, future planning, risk management, understanding the world around, understanding company strategies. Okay, understanding people, consistency, losses. Wow, good, lot of stuff, lot of stuff. I think this gentleman is already in the flow stage. Yep. So now he knows why stock market learning is good. Okay. Now he has given his reasons to justify his point. Now business loan. Business loan you want to learn because you want to know about civil score, cash flow, more projects can be taken. I don't know what kind of things can be strong. Okay. Now that is like okay. Crypto. This person wants to know about crypto, know about the legality, methodology, risk assessment, understanding the literacy, potential earnings, help people to earn more, improve networking. Okay, maybe this is also right. Dumb knowledge, stock market. Okay, now we have got two different people running for stock market. Would like to know more about stock market, plays around with effects, cost behind it. I love maths. Good. So would be happy to understand how companies evaluate it. How can I make money using stock market tools? Okay. By the way, I am completely against crypto. I'm talking about myself. I'm completely against the stock market stuff because there's a lot all of things. There's a lot of speculations, and wherever there is a guesswork, I think I usually try to refrain. Okay, so I have got experts who are managing mine, but I personally don't want to do this. So would be using material market like copper, silver, and how yeah. So this is a good part. This is called as so there are different kind of wealth. So one of the wealth which Robert Kiyosaki talks about is called as the man-made wealth and the God-made wealth. So God-made wealth is land, gold, copper. Okay, not only copper but silver as well. Yeah. How to understand stock market and become a blogger, thereby earn money from that. Um. Okay, I take it. Okay, I take it as a ensure. I think everyone has given a good justification of their learnings. Uh, Ensuring some part of the earning grows and multiplies passively. Now here, this person needs to let me know what is that thing that he wants to learn. Okay, money backup. What is that? So 592 column number person. Okay, I think something is wrong here. Might be you did not understand, or you did not understand the instructions, or your speculations are not right. So some assurance, money backup, unexpected expense plan. What is this? So you have filling up does not mean that you know the answer. Did you get my point? Filling up does not mean that you know the answer. Filling up is something which even I have also done it in my school. Okay, if there is a 15 marks question, introduction, पानीपत का लड़ाई कब हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, ऐसे हुआ था, अंदर में ढिशुम 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 ऐसे ही पानीपत का लड़ाई हुआ था. You don't have to write in that language, right? So this is not done. Okay, so what you want to learn here? Okay, why you have not given that answer? Okay, how many of you guys are understanding from somebody else's mistakes? You're learning from somebody else's mistakes. So this is not correct. Even though you have filled it up, you have got filled up at 10 billion points, but you have not done it correctly, buddy. Financial literacy. I think this is still what in terms of financial literacy. What is that one thing you want to learn? So smart financial decisions कैसे लेना चाहते हैं? ठीक है, monthly budgeting. Okay, I can take this. How much to save in a week? Okay, power of saving. Understand impact on business. Distinguish between different modes of financial security. Decide how and where to spend. Better understanding of investment. Okay, I give it to you. Still, I give it to you. Areas of interest. Mutual fund सीखना चाहते हैं आप? Instead of saving accounts, money can be invested in good MF. Okay, I may be able to beat inflation to a certain extent. Okay, it's a good reason. It's a good reason. Less monitoring than stock trading, less risky. So now you have a solid reason about mutual funds. Why you want to know mutual funds? Because of this. Okay. Investment in stock. You want to learn about investment in stock. Something is good when you know when you should invest here. Okay. I think you can go more deeper. Why you want to know about this? What will this particular knowledge is going to impact in your life and your future? I think you can give one more reason, two more reasons. It's okay. Okay. Learn real estate brokeraging. Okay, ठीक है. Why? Opportunities are available. Okay. High earning potential. No capital investment. Okay, good. So are you understanding? You are now giving a reason to your stuff. Okay. So you want to learn about real estate brokering. So closing skills, can innovate new methods of business selling, no risk capital loss. I think you have repeated this, buddy. Okay, you have repeated this. Communication skills can be of use here. Been in this area for more than 10 years, so you can actually monetize your experience and your exposures. Finance, stock market, immediate cash needs. Okay, good opportunity to know about various companies. Maybe how companies operate and strategies. Okay, and this person talks about real estate. Okay, it has good returns, major risk, to have financial security and stability, to have better life and family members. Okay, shall I give it to you still? But how many of you guys got some crazy ideas? Okay, and now after me explaining it, you got more answers. Just give me a high five if you understood this. Okay. Sorry. So today, what you learned is you need to give your reasons to back up your purpose. Yes or no? If the purpose that you are working with, if it is not backed by a substantial amount of reasoning, then I think that purpose is not going to be met. So this also shows, are you really having that burning desire and a burning fire to learn that particular subject or not? Based on the answers, I think you guys have also identified. हाँ, अच्छा है, चलेगा. Oh, no, I have to learn. अरे ये तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा. Yes or no? Are you guys getting the four or three levels of learning? See, when demonetization just happened, many of us probably were first time using this Paytm, QR code and all these things. Yes or no? Okay. सीखना तो पड़ेगा ही. So that level of financial literacy you have to learn, whether you are a vegetable vendor or you are whoever it is. Okay, you need to learn how to use the digital currency. So many a times it happens that because of government rules and policies, because of I don't know if you know from this year, there are GST are of two different things. Okay, the old method and the new method. Hello, how many of you guys are aware of it? Okay, you have to learn. There is no choice. So unless and until things becomes here, don't wait for it. Probably you can speculate that. Now you will find out a reason why you need to learn about this. So for example, in my life, I rarely touch GSTs and all those things. I usually don't get into all this complex, this form, that form and all. But now I think it is important for me to learn. I still have a problem of different kind of SEC numbers. How many of you guys know what is an SEC numbers? You know, in GST bill, there is something called as SSC numbers. SST. Okay. Every transaction that you do, okay, that has to go with a new code. Now I have no idea. Okay. So if I need to sell tomorrow, let's say this particular stuff, this will have a new thing. Every service has been given an, a new kind of a code, SSC code or HSIC code. There are different kinds of codes are there now. And for each, yeah, HSN codes, HSIC, HSN, SSN, and I had no idea. So I was heavily dependent on my accountant and the person who is managing my accounts. But I find this is a news dimensions and it brings more clarity. And which each thing I was actually doing all these things wrong so far. Now I know, okay, I have to learn. So there are many other rules and reforms are there. Banking. So when I say finance, it is not about just mutual fund and stock. Hello. You're getting my point? It can be something else also. It can be your pension plan also. It can be a retirement or a structure also. It can be something about how you are managing the locker system in a bank also. Yes or no? How many of you guys are getting new dimensions of financial literacy? Many times, I think we don't teach our kids also. Even we also don't know. I have seen literated PhD guys sitting and looking like blank when they look at the challan. Hello, have you gone? आज तक अभियुक्ता भुगतान कहाँ पे मालूम नहीं है. So many people are still trying to find out very difficulty in filling up that thing. How many of you have the clarity of when to put an RTGS, when to do NEFT, when to do IMPS, full form of IMPS? I think these are all the financial literacy. और बड़े stock की बात कर रहे हो. These are small things also. Many of us don't know. Yes, I agree. Even I also did not know what is the meaning of all these things. किसको कब कहाँ डालना है and why. Acha, then there are different kind of exchange rates. Acha, how many of you guys are doing international business or international trade or anything to do with international? So then you will also understand कि importing में क्या exchange लगता है. Why you have to pay this? If you are getting the money from Western Union, what happens? Hello. So many things are there. So for that, what we have decided is I'm going to invite somebody who will give you a financial knowledge. Okay, I'm trying to invite him. He is a CA by profession. How many would love to have a session, 1 hour of solid session of basics understanding of finance and how you can use this in your day-to-day business? Yeah, good. So that's the same reason this new year, I'm going to invite an external person. And he is also one of the, I'll not say one of them, but he's one of, he's right now the president of the CA Association of Gujarat. So, then why not learn from him? Yes, the best guy in town. And I'm sure Gujaratis are very good in business. Yes or no? And this guy is the president of the CA Association of Gujarat. Okay, so why not you bring him up? I'm not sure president or vice president, but he is in a kind of a very high level positions. More than around thousands and thousands of CAs are working under him. So I thought of inviting him one day and giving him the dimensions. So what I want from you is by tomorrow we will have a very consolidated systems of what you exactly want to learn. We will take any one of the topics and we're going to take around 30 minutes or 45 minutes of this gentleman's kind wisdoms so that we can all learn from him. Is it a good initiative? Okay. Is it a good initiative? And the good thing is for questions, no charge. I will bear all the cost for inviting this guy. Only thing is when he is there, give him a lot of love, give him a lot of respect. Okay. Give him some tags. Okay. Connect with him. Yes. Happy? इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं अपन. So I'm trying to bring in. So give me those dimensions of things that you want to learn. So I want you to do one simple task. Go to office at dramitnath.in, DRAMITNATH.in, and write down only one thing, what you would like to know for your financial literacy or financial improvement or any kind of things, and give me a proper structure. So tomorrow when you come, we will actually put all these things in a nice way. We will tell you how to materialize this. Now some people wanted to know about mutual funds, someone wants to know about crypto, someone wants to know about that. Find out the efficacy. Is it seriously, are you going to learn about that, or just for time pass you have written it? Did you get my point? Okay. If you are not serious, for example, crypto, even if you learn crypto also, can you do it right now? Can you do crypto banking today? Can you do mining today? Can you do hardcore mining here in India? Is it legal? Is it not legal? Okay. Can you exchange the crypto? How much is a Bitcoin today? I think around 30, 32 lakhs, I guess. Okay. Can you monetize it in India? Can you exchange it? What are tokens? Now, if you need to learn all these things, I am not the expert for that. Do you get my point? Even if you learn, can you monetize it tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock? Tomorrow morning, can you do it? I don't know. If you learn about trading, tomorrow morning exactly at 8 o'clock, can you do something? I'm talking about really implementable knowledge. And that is something which needs a different dimensions. So with that, I would like to end today's session. I would like to invite some of you guys on screen. Just type in your names and listen to you about your realization and thinking about what this today's topic is all about, and if this topic was something which is connecting to me. Go, typing your names quickly. Go, quick. We're gonna have around like 4 or 5 people. That's it. Just type in your names and let me know. Okay, so we've got one. Okay, can we have 2, 3, 4? Go. Okay, fine. So you guys can unmute, and Captain, you're the first one. Go ahead.
Good morning, Nada. Good morning, everyone. And it was a wonderful session. Realization for today is I do really want to learn all about this financial market. I mean, like I can't be restricted to one area, but then it's a vast subject. We can go into everything. So I would like to only go to one area, try to get as much as information and expertise from there, and maybe start something new with that knowledge, if that is possible, and if I have enough knowledge and of course some guidance. I'm sure if we look into ourselves only, I think that can help us find some guidance in the right area. Thank you, Dada, for taking this topic up. It's always at the back of our mind.
Yeah, and I think it's an ever growing subject. So as in when the time grows, different policies, different new norms are coming. So I don't know where is the horizon and where is the limit of it. So it's, I don't know, it's growing. Okay, yeah. Next person, please.
Hello, Dada. This is Sonal. Thanks for the session. Really very helpful insight, and it will be always relevant. It is finance is the blood. It rightly said, it is the blood and effort of all the earnings. So no doubt, it can't be denied to have the knowledge. And yeah, you are giving the right pointers. So thanks for that. Real estate is one area that I would like to, because it has good returns, but yeah, at the same time it has high risk also. So a small mistake can make huge differences. So this area I am currently more interested. Yeah, but
Yeah,
I'm of course open to other as well. Thank you.
great. So I think for the people who wanted to know about real estate, let me tell you, we have Coach Sandeep. He has been a chief of Credit for quite some time. I think he's the right person to probably guide you on the real estate and how the real estate businesses works around, what are the different dimensions. And January might be my team is taking a note. We're going to have a special session, probably on a monthly meeting or something, where we're going to invite. But real estate is a very huge domain. You need to be very concretized on what exactly do you want to learn. The more precise you ask us, the more precise it will be easier for bringing such kind of domain experts and help them present in front of you, right? So if you can give us like do you want to sell or do you want to buy or do you want to know about the process? The more accurate questions you put, the more better for us. Fair? Okay. So I think we
Yeah.
have experts. Only thing is you need to ask the right questions. So please make sure if you are writing back, if you want to learn about real estate like this one, okay. Again, for people who are in Fest, no charges. We're gonna sit together. We're gonna learn together, and this is something which is impossible otherwise. Yes or no? To bring some of the best guys and learn about it. So people who are into real estate, please do write to us. Write to us at office@dramitnath.in. We will make sure that I'm not promising you the exact date. I today only just I know about that you want to learn about this. We will make sure we learn all these things. We're going to create this entire thing. We will document that entire process and we're going to have this session and we're going to give you those pointers whatever is required which will be working from 2024 onwards. Good one. Okay, I'll personally take up this. Okay. And this also helps us to create articles and collate multiple topics on that, and we can give it to you on the newsletters as well. So if you are watching this and if you are not a part of the newsletter, just type in me in the comment section in YouTube, and we're going to send you the link by which you can connect with our newsletters. So very powerful newsletters, and all the newsletters are written by my own hands. I don't use any ChatGPT. Yes, we use ChatGPT for research and all, but not for writing things. Yeah, next person, please.
Yeah, Dada, in fact, today's session was excellent. And a very valid suggestion from you was think of something to learn which we can start monetizing at the earliest, maybe from tomorrow and as soon as possible. It's a very good food for thought, and I'm changing my thinking now. I'll let you know what I want to learn in some time.
Great. So you are also into real estate, and just to tell you guys, real estate is not about just the land or the building. Real estate has a multiple dimensions, whether it is a small pin, or it is an interior decorations, or it is a landscape architecture, or it is just getting you that statutory compliances and all those things. Everywhere there is a different dimensions of businesses, licensing, paperwork, validation. There are so many dimensions in real estate also. So if you have to learn about that, you have to give us an exact thing, like what exactly do you want to learn? Okay.
Real estate financing as well.
Okay. So real estate financing, like investor for that, or how to identify that, or where to go and approach for that. There are so many things right now. There are a lot of NBFCs are also funding real estate developments and all. So that's a new dimension. Earlier it was not there. I think recently, like not even year, few months back only, some of the NBFCs are also funding infrastructure development and investments and all those things for real estate, plot developments, many other things. Okay, I leave it to you. Okay, okay. Next person, please.
Good morning, Dada. First of all, thank you for bringing out this topic. Very crucial. I have always been running away from this finance, thinking that I could
Me
manage.
too.
So very interesting. Today I realized that we need to know at least some basics, which will help us to understand and either take help from the expert or either you learn. So that is one thing. And thank you so much for inviting a CA person who will make it clearly. So I'm looking for the session because of if you look at, I'm still in standard 1 in finance. So to learn a lot.
You're in standard 1. I feel like I've not yet taken admission only. So we still have to go a long miles. So anyone else would like to share? we are definitely going to invite these people. So there are in my radar there are two people. If you can give me more data, then it makes me more powerful to invite such kind of a people, because if I'm inviting him, definitely he should have something for himself as well, right? So give me some kind of things which is good for them to munch on. Okay, good for them to munch on as well. Okay, one more person, go ahead.
I think so. Sonal spoke, Dada.
Yeah. Anyone else would like to share? Okay, then we can call this meeting off. All right.
Yeah, good topics that were brought up on the screen, Dada. And thanks everyone for sharing all your ideas. Right? And also the proposal for bringing somebody from the CA community, that's really going to be helpful for us, especially with the type of business that we are doing. And apart from these products like mutual funds, stocks, options, etc., I think we need to be educated about accounting as well. So I'm going to send some of the list, some of the things to you
So
on your email.
what another thing is in my mind is, if you can give me your questions, maybe I can create a kind of a podcast, or I can have a meeting with him with discussion, with taking all your questions, and might be in date with the other. Maybe I can bring this gentleman and we can have all these questions being answered. So that is one of the points that I also have in my mind. So there I can actually capture more questions. So please use the email ID, send your questions. We're gonna filter up all the things, and probably I can take a half an hour, 1 hour of this gentleman, and we can pick his brains. But guys, are you also understanding? I am not trying to answer everything from my side, because I feel there are domain experts who have spent many years into this. ये एक पूरा साधना किया है उनको. So I think it is better let them talk about the dimensions in which they are expertised into. So the moral of the story is, one man story नहीं हो सकता है. 2024, the world is so dynamic and so diverse. Alone, it is not possible. So it is always better to work on JV, collaborations, guidance, and working with such amazing people who can help you with their domain informations. And these are industry stalwarts as well. So when you bring in such kind of dynamics, such kind of people, so people who are watching this on YouTube, let me know in the comment section what are those dimensions that you want to learn about, that we can incorporate and we can bring in this. Most probably by the first week of January, we'll be finalizing this, and we'll be inviting you. I'll tell you about the topics. If you want to have your topics listed there, we will give an entire list of questions that we are going to ask this gentleman, and we'll be doing it in one of the Fridays at evening at 8 o'clock. I'm giving you the timing also, but right now I'm not confirming the date. Once we structure this out, we're going to do this. Plus, all the questions that we are going to ask him, we will have these answers, and we will send you to people who are the people who have subscribed to our newsletters. We'll give you as an attachment to all of them, of all the questions. Fair? I'm making an extra effort, so I need you guys to also come up with good, genuine, nice questions. Okay, go give me some good questions, and I can do that. So with that, yeah, topics you can happiness sessions, I think you've given. So with that, we'll end today's session. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, what we are going to learn is how to materialize the topics that you have identified. Now you've given the reasons. Tomorrow we'll materialize it. Day after tomorrow, we'll monetize that as well. Okay. So with that, let me pause the session today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care. And always remember,